Hello viewers, Motorola has launched a new tablet by the name MotoPad 60 Neo. Many people actually want to buy this tablet, so they want to know how they can buy this tablet at 12,999 rupees during Flipkart's Big Billion Days. Actually, Flipkart has not yet revealed the exact pricing of this tablet, but I think you will get discounts with Axis Bank credit card or ICICI Bank credit card. So using these credit cards you can get this at around 14,000 rupees or maybe below 14,000. Many people want to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. S9 is a very good tablet. I think you will get more discounts on Amazon.in. The best price for this tablet is around 38,000 rupees or below. Using SBI credit card you can avail discounts on Tab S9. Many people want to know the price of iPad 11th generation. I think the best price for iPad 11th 128GB variant is around 25 to 27,000 rupees. One of the users asked me about the price of Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant. Actually, the price of Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant would be around 15,000 rupees on Amazon.in. Also, you will get discounts on this product in Flipkart.com. And if you want to buy the 5G variant, for the 128GB 5G variant, the price will be around 18 to 19,000 rupees maximum. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 21 to 22,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, many people want to know the price of Xiaomi Pad 7. Xiaomi Pad 7 is a very good tablet. It is a mid-range tablet and the best price for the 128GB variant is around 20,000 rupees during BBD sale or less. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 22,000 rupees. Actually, one of the users asked me about Samsung 25-watt charger. 25-watt charger is a very good charger. Don't buy 45-watt charger because the time duration of charging is little bit faster on 45 watt, but I don't think it is a worthy charger. Rather, you should go with 25 watt of charger. Next, many people want to know the price of iPad Air M2. If you want to buy iPad Air M2, the best price would be around 38,000 or below. I think you should go with iPad Air M3 at a price point of 42 to 43,000 rupees maximum for the 128GB variant. Again, some users want to know the names of strong cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and also iPad 11th generation. I will put the link of that product in the description below, so you can buy those products using the links. One of the users want to know about the best tablet under the budget of 50,000 rupees. During Big Billion Days sale, many tablets will be on discount. So at a price point of 50,000 rupees, you can buy various tablets from Samsung, Apple or even Oneplus. If you want to buy Oneplus tablet, you can buy Oneplus Pad 3. This is a very good tablet. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And if you want to go with Samsung, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus or even S10 may come below 50,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you want to buy iPad, in that case I would suggest you to buy iPad Air M3. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become informative to you. Many people actually watch my video but they don't like. I would request you to like the video and hype the video so that many people get a chance to watch these contents. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.